So this is the fit. We're gonna go to my sister and we're gonna join her. Hi guys, so we are now here at SMBF sa BF branch ng K-Skin. Pinagtatrabahuhan ng sister ko and that's her. So, this is the outfit. Oh, sino ka dyan? Top from Bench, pants from Surplus, and shoes from New Balance. Hindi ako Dior, guys. Sorry. Unfortunately, hindi ko afford yun. And that is my sister. Hi, sister. At ako ang kanyang plus one.
It'll be your server for today.
Hello! Here at Texas Roadhouse.
Dahil
Advantage of the BPI promo.
dahil may discount.
Hindi ko ba kasama yung mga ito sa pro? Kasama kami, nasa dulo lang na picture, hindi kasama. Okay, thank you.
So, ayan nga, we're here in Texas Roadhouse. And ito ang benefits when you go with your sister. You bring lunch.
Well, I can't wait to be treated by you.
Oh, nilibre kita nakaraan.
Oh yeah, thank you so much, my sister.
Nilibre ko siya sa Din Tai Fung, guys. And DQ.
Tandang-tanda.
Of course. Kasi bira lang yun mangyari.
Onion frizzles and cheese quesadilla.
Okay, let's try the onion frizzle. Masarap daw to, sabi niya. This is my first time.
Good, no?
Ano daw?
Receipts.
Ha?
Receipts.
Mag-present lang ng receipts.
1,000.
Tapos pwede na mag-ano? Yumanashi. Try nga natin.
Ikaw.
Ikaw?
Go!
May human claw machine, guys. Try natin. ASMR. Back ribs and fish. Fish lang. Fish lang.
It's huge. It's huge. Look at it. Look, it's the same. Of course, we just bought one refill.
Ano name nito? Crumble something. It's good. Mainit pa yung cookie. Kaka-bake lang. Hi!
Hello.
We're here at Uniqlo
To window shop.
to window shop. And di namin alam kasi kung ano yung susuotin namin for our summer trip. Kasama ako, guys.
She forced her way in.
Yeah. The fit.
Uy, oo nga, girl. Like,
Same siya. O sige, bye na. Kagamiton ko man. Boodle. Gusto niya daw. Are you gonna buy it? Yes or no?
No, don't have money.
Don't have money daw. Pati, yeah. Para siyang yung pants ko ngayon. Pero this is ano lang. Ayun o. And ang daming pula. Sale, sale, sale. Wala na daw siyang lotion.
My mother scammed me. It was newly bought. I scammed the brother. And then...
The mother scammed her.
She took it.
Na-scam siya, guys. Hi, guys. We're here again. The branch. For the last time. Check na ulit mga final reminders and everything. While we're watching volleyball PVL invitation ng Cherry Tigo versus yung Japanese team na in-invite. Kobe Shinwa. Kobe. Basta yung Kobe. Yun. We're currently here sa Starbucks dahil hirap kami mag-book. Nung nakabili na kami ng drink namin, sa kami tumanggap ng booking. 17 minutes. And ang daming pulaga. Mapula-pula siya.
The traffic is trafficking on a Friday night, payday, and mukhang uulan, lahat, 3-day sale, and everything. Why did I choose to go here?
Update. 2-1.
Let's go, Cherry. Araji.
Nakalimutan ko yung order niya is no whip, non-fat.
Hindi niya ako ulit.
No, I just forgot na may ganun nga pala. No, I love you, my sister. Going home situation.
It's so traffic, and I'm so stressed watching the game.
She's stressed kasi mag-fifth set yung sino to? Kobe and Cherry Tigo.